Automation Direct NitroPal is a highly versatile and scalable system that offers features like high flow rate valves, field I/O, Ethernet IP communications, and much more. To make it even easier to select the system you need, we have created this selector tool. These selectors are great at helping you order right the first time. By default, the selector is set to Ethernet IP field bus applications. You can swap to a direct wire module, but remember you are limited to valves only if you choose that. The tool keeps track of the I/O and valves as they apply to the limits. You can always reset back to the default field bus system by clicking here. Notice how the limits changed. These limits are enforced by the tool. The selector won't allow you to create any invalid configurations, so you only get what you need and what works together. The left-hand Add button allows you to add I/O modules, while the right allows you to add solenoids. To add solenoids, add a base, then add valves to your base. Anything you add can be changed or deleted with these simple buttons. The best feature of our selector tools is once you select a system, you can add all the components to your cart and create a bill of materials. Just another way Automation Direct is striving to give you the tools you deserve. Automation Direct, the common sense way to buy industrial controls and pneumatics. To find more product selectors, look for this icon or scroll down the homepage to see them all. Please see this playlist for other content from the NitroPal system. We have a vast library of other videos. Please click here to view all product videos. Click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming products and solutions.